Hello, friend. Myself, Sanjeev Divedi. On behalf of Vidyalankar Institute of Technology, I welcome you all in this Java session. In this session, we're going to talk about package. Now, this is very interesting concept when it comes to package. Now, first, we should understand what is package. Package is nothing but it's like a collection. It is group. Now, why would we like to group something? Now, suppose even in our normal collection, like say if in our laptop or a desktop, when we collect things. So if you say images are stored in images folder, videos are stored in video folder. Let's say your college works are stored in separate folder, your personal steps are stored in separate folder. We would like to group things in folder. Why so that when we need to search it, we can identify where we are supposed to search. In the very same manner, when it comes to collections in Java, when we want to group things together, be it classes, be it interfaces, we would like to group them together so that it becomes easy to reuse them because we know where they are. Now when it comes to classes and interfaces, when it comes to classes and interfaces, we have two things. We have built-in classes and interfaces, and we have user-defined classes and interfaces. User can create their own classes and interfaces. So built-in classes and interfaces are collected in built-in packages. So there are various built-in packages, and user-defined classes and interfaces can be stored in user-defined packages. So what is package? Package is collection of it. Package is used for grouping variety of classes and interfaces together. Now, on what basis we should group them? We should group them on the basis of their functionalities. So basically, what are packages? They are container of classes and interfaces. So like the way I said, we can have built-in packages that store built-in classes and interfaces. We have user-defined packages that will store user-defined classes and interfaces. Now, let's see how actually we do it. Now, whenever you want to, let's say, import any class, whenever you want to import any class, suppose I want to, if you remember vector, I needed to use vector class. So I was supposed to create object of vector class, but vector class belongs to package util, that belongs to package Java. So to use any item of a package, to use any class or to use any interface of a package, we need to import it. Import java dot util dot asterisk. Now if I say something like this, util dot asterisk, then it will import all the classes and interfaces of util package. Now if I simply write import java dot util dot vector, now it will only import vector class of util package. But if I write import java.util.asterisk, then it will import all the classes and interfaces of util package. Now remember one thing. Importing something like package name dot asterisk, like the here we did util dot asterisk, it will only import the classes and interfaces of that package. If there are package inside it, then it will not import that package. Now suppose we, if there is a package P that contains package P1, that contains package P2, and in P1 we have some class A and B. So if I write import P dot P1 dot asterisk, it will only import A and B. It will not import the classes. Suppose even P2 will have some class, let's say C and D. So here P1 is a package that contains two class A and B, another package P2 that contains class C and D. But P2 package lies within P1 package. And if I write P dot P1 dot asterisk, it will not import the package within P1, which is P2. It will only import the classes and interfaces within the package P1. So it will only make me available A and B. You should always remember this. And further, we have see the classes. Now what is benefit? If I've collected something together, like if I know that vector class belongs to util package, I can directly import it. If it is not known to me, if I'm not storing a class in a particular package, if I'm not storing a class in a specific package, then it will go to default package. And then it becomes very difficult for me to search for that class. So it is logically correct to group the classes and interfaces based on their functionality, so that when we need it, we know where to look for them, where to import them from. The classes contained in a package of other program can be easily reused. In packages, classes can be unique compared with classes in other package. Yes, it means that if we have package P1 that has class A, if there is another package P2 that can have class A, that is okay. It's like मेरा नाम संजीव, मेरे बाजू वाले घर में भी एक बच्चा है जिसका नाम संजीव. We belongs to two different packages, so we can have same name. So can we say that with packages we can also overcome naming conflict? Packages also provides a way of separating design from coding. Yes. See, what happens is, first we can design a class and decide the relationship, and then we can implement the Java code needed for the method. See, we can always override it, like the way I said. See, there is a package that contains some interface. That interface will have some method, so design is fixed. I will import the package, I will import the interface from that package, and I can override the method. So I have changed the implementation of the method without affecting the basic design of it. Now, packages can be of two types: API packages, which are available, and then user-defined packages. So API, application programmable interface. API stands for application programmable interface. It will contain all built-in packages, and user-defined built-in classes and interfaces. API package contains built-in classes and interfaces. User-defined packages will contain user-defined classes and interfaces. Now, how to create a package? Let's see. Let's see here. Let me take an example. See, package name. If I want to create a class, what I'll do is I'll declare that name package my pack. My pack is the name of the package, and let the name of the class be my class. And so this file will be what? This file will be my class.java file. And I will store this, I will save this file ideally in a folder known as my pack. Here we'll have a Java file, and this Java file is my class.java. So how do we add a class in a package? First, आप एक फोल्डर बनाइए जो आपके पैकेज का नाम होगा. मेरे पैकेज का नाम मुझे my pack देना है. So I will first create a folder, my pack. In that folder, I'll create a notepad, and then I will write a class. I will save that as my class.java. And in that notepad, the first line is package my pack. So package name is ideally the first line in every Java program. We will write package name before import also. Package name should be the first name. See, to add a program to a package, the first line in Java program should be package and name followed by the package. So this will add this class in that package. So now in future, wherever I want to import this class, and I've declared this class as public. If this class is not public, then I cannot import it anywhere else. So I've created a package named my pack. I have added a class to it. All you have to do is, just while creating that class, add that name package my pack and save it to that folder. It will add that class to the package. See, to create a package, of physical folder by the name should be created in a computer. We have to create a package my pack. My pack बनाया मैंने suppose D drive में. A Java program is written and saved in the folder my pack. तो पहला आप ड्राइव डिसाइड कीजिए क्या रहेगा. मैंने डी ड्राइव डिसाइड किया. डी ड्राइव में एक फोल्डर बनाइए माई पैक. अब उसके अंदर एक जावा फाइल बनाइए और उसको उस जावा फाइल में पहला लाइन आप लिखेंगे पैकेज माई पैक. सो दिस विल ऐड दिस क्लास टू दैट पैकेज. टू एक्सेस अ यूजर डिफाइंड पैकेज, अगर मैं जैसे मैंने माई पैक बनाया और अगर उसके अंदर का क्लास जैसे माई क्लास मुझे एक्सेस करना है, आई हैव टू इंपोर्ट इट इन माई प्रोग्राम. Once we have done the import, we can create object of the class. जैसे मैं import java.util बोलता हूँ. So now I can import all the I have imported all the classes and interfaces of util package, but I intend to use only vector, and now I can create vector. So if I import java.util, then I can create object of vector v equal to new vector, and I can make use of all the methods of vector class. See, thus through the object we can access the instance method. See, yes. So the first thing is, what is package? It is collection of classes interfaces. It can be built in, it can be user defined. Built in, you just have to import, access them. You cannot make changes there. User defined class. Now why do we need package? Suppose I want to store all templates, like of calculate salary. I'm storing templates. So I'll create a package, I will create class, I will create template, and I will store it in the package. So wherever I need it, I will import that class from that package and can override the method. So package helps us to organize the classes and interfaces based on their functionality. Now, once they are organized, it will help us to reuse them somewhere else. Remember one more thing, importing package name dot asterisk will import all the classes and interfaces, but it will not import the package within it. So this is in a nutshell about package. For detail, you can refer Java 2 complete reference by Herbert Schild. Thank you very much.